children, welcome to Master Math with Sarika. Today's topic is very interesting as we will understand why multiplying any number with 0 is always 0. Have you ever thought why 2 multiplied by 0 is 0 or 3 multiplied by 0 is 0? No, na? So here I am to explain you the why behind this concept. Let's understand this concept by taking an example. Say we write 2 times 3. Now we know that 2 times 3 is 6. And what is multiplication, children? Multiplication is repeated addition. That means we will write 3 2 times, which is 6. Let's take another example. Say 5 times 2. We all know that 5 times 2 is 10. Again, multiplication is repeated addition. So, 5 times 2 means we are adding 2 5 times, which is equal to 10. Now, let's understand 2 times 0. 2 times 0 means 0 is being added 2 times. So, 0 plus 0 is 0. Let's take another example. 3 times 0 is 0. So we know that multiplication is repeated addition. So 3 times 0 means 0 is being added 3 times, which is equal to 0. I hope now you have understood the concept why any number multiplied by 0 is 0. And if you like the video, then do not forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thank you.